Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel 28 Combo. Today I'm gonna give you some information that might be useful for homesteaders. Okay, what am I talking about? Okay, let me show you. You see on the ground here, these are banana leaves, and usually when you do homestead, a lot of people do compost toilet, right? So you're wondering how they do. They still use bathroom tissue buying from the store, right? So that costs you money. So if you in the climate where you can grow banana plants, this is what you do. You cut down your banana leaves and let them wilt like this. This is pretty soft, right? And then you can use this as your bathroom tissue. It's free. You don't need to pay a penny for it. And usually banana plants grow plenty of banana leaves. And I'm not just saying this for the sake of saying it. I'm saying it from my personal experience. When I was growing up, you know, this is what we use for bathroom. Number two, there was no paper tissues. Everybody pretty much used whatever, but I found banana leaves to be pretty nice, soft, right? You can use this to wrap things, do many things, you know, depending on the stage of the leaves. Green ones usually people use to wrap foods and stuff, but the wilted one like this, perfect for bathroom tissues. Of course, some readings that I did, somebody talked about persimmon tree leaves, but I don't recommend that at all because they are harder, not really pleasant for your bottom. But this one definitely will work. That's again from my personal experience. Okay, so here are the persimmon tree leaves. I guess you can use this as a bathroom tissue as well. I mean, especially if you're in an area that you cannot grow bananas. It's not really as good, I have to say that. I never used it personally, but by just feeling the leaves, they're a little bit rougher, especially the one that are on the tree, and the one that are already dropped, they are softer. Maybe they will work, but not the dry one. That would be too rough. Something like this will work definitely. So, well, you will have to try to find out what you like, whether banana leaves versus persimmon tree leaves, persimmon leaves. But I personally like banana leaves. You know, that's pretty useful for those who's doing homestead and thinking about saving money. That's one way to do it. Compost, human manure compost, and of course, you know, banana leaves are biodegradable. Look at this one. This banana plant has plenty of leaves for you. Just look at them as your bathroom tissues. And you see, there's a baby coming out. There's another one. And then I have a bunch of banana plants over there. Look at how many leaves. Plenty. Anyway, thank you for watching. I see you in the next one. Bye bye.